Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and it is windy as all get out today. So I'm going to get inside quickly, but this is a 2024 Grand Design Transcend 265Bh, and the interior is very, very nice, very inviting. And we'll get inside. I just want to show you, you have your rear spare, and then very nice exterior storage. And you also have a plug, which is nice if you're charging batteries. Oh, and we also have a single slide on the off-camp side. Show you that real quick. And then let's get inside. So we have a double bunk, and then underneath the bottom bunk, that's where that storage area is. There's the 265Bh badging. And get ready for a very nice interior. Right off the bat, we'll show you how quiet it is in here, as well as the bunkhouse. And we have hang-up storage here. We have cubbies, drawers that essentially are steps for little ones, and then you have storage there as well. Here's that outside storage that I was showing you. And then theater seating here, very nice color fabric. We have a great place for your remote controls. We have controls and cup holders on both sides. Curtains for privacy. The 2024 LED strip lighting that Grand Design has come out with. I've shown that on multiple videos. Your stereo, as well as your slide controls and your awning, U-shaped dining, which is very nice. And then we also have additional storage underneath the benches. LED lighting, residential plug. And then when I slide over here, you can see a very nice flat screen TV. I'll show you the kitchen in a moment. Kind of a planning center. And you have these nice drawers, as well as cabinets with plenty of storage. I'm going to get back to the kitchen in a moment. I want to show you the refrigerator. So we have a refrigerator, we have the freezer, and then we have this little drawer, which is great for cookie sheets, pie pans, that sort of thing. And as I swing back and show you the kitchen, so we have a 3-burner cooktop. We have these very large drawers where you would normally have an oven. And so you're thinking, okay, well, we got an oven and maybe it's a convection oven. How about a conventional microwave and an air fryer? So very cool. There you can see, and your air fryer. So when you want to make chicken wings, anything you would air fry at home, now you can put in there, which is really nice. I'm not a cook, my wife is. She's a tremendous cook, but we have an air fryer, and she'll put shrimp or chicken wings, chicken nuggets. You know, if you're going to have a salad with chicken nuggets, really very convenient. And so that combination, conventional microwave, and air fryer, is the cat's meow. So we have a pass-through bathroom with a very nice shower, corner cabinet here, and corner medicine cabinet. And then as we step into the bedroom, we have cabinets on both left and right of the bed, and we have underbed storage. Very nice and deep storage, as you can see. And then as I close that down, I'll show you the storage, or the cabinets on both left and right. So you have your hang-up clothes bar. And then we also have a second door, which is very nice. And it gives you some privacy, or as they say in England, privacy. And then we back up, we go through the bathroom again and into the gathering area. So you have the dining area that drops down for sleeping. You have your bunk beds, your master bedroom, and just really, really well laid out on the 265 BH. I hope you enjoyed this video. Any comments, questions, leave them below. I'm going to go ahead and take a load off and show you the perspective of sitting in the theater seating. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, although it is very short from here on out. Leave a comment, question below, and we'll catch you on the next video.